In this video, we will discuss the importance of working with professionals such as attorneys, mediators, and counselors during your divorce. This advice is especially important if there are children involved in the marriage. We will look at ways to reduce stress during the process and provide tips on how to manage finances and parenting responsibilities after a separation or divorce. Most importantly, we will explore ways to save your marriage before filing for a divorce petition so that you can keep your family together and support your children through these difficult times. It is essential that men take active steps when they receive a petition for divorce from their wives. Working with professional legal advisors can help ensure that all legal requirements are met while protecting both parties' rights throughout the process. Attorneys provide guidance on issues such as custody arrangements, division of assets, spousal maintenance payments, child support payments, and more. Mediators offer non-judgmental assistance in resolving disputes between spouses, while counselors may help couples work through communication breakdowns, which often lie at the root of marital problems leading up to divorces. Statistics show that approximately half of all marriages end in divorce worldwide regardless of religious beliefs or nationality. USA 50%. UK 42%, Australia 47%, Canada 45%. Although it is never easy to navigate through this situation, there are certain things men should consider doing before filing for a formal petition. Seek counseling. Speaking openly about differences within the couple can create understanding and help foster mutual respect. Spend time apart. Taking a break from each other gives everyone space to reflect on what went wrong whilst also providing much-needed personal time away from one another. Explore interests outside of the relationship. Activities like joining classes or clubs allow individuals to connect with new people without any pressure, which helps build self-confidence. Stay positive. Maintaining positivity encourages open dialogue amongst partners instead of negative emotions like anger or resentment. Communicate effectively. Clear communication encourages honest conversations between partners regarding feelings and expectations, thus allowing them both develop better solutions together. Have realistic expectations. Setting achievable goals provides clarity and purpose towards rebuilding relationships instead of unrealistic ones. This video does not provide legal, financial, or tax advice. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as legal advice. If you require legal advice, please contact a qualified attorney, for example, by signing up for a free course on our website Divorce Lab Pro. We will connect you with the pre-selected lawyers or other experts you may need. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children, and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at Divorce Lab Pro. Understand the importance of working with professionals such as attorneys, mediators, and counselors when dealing with a divorce. Seek out qualified professionals who have experience in family law and are familiar with the laws in your state or country. Make sure that any attorney you hire is licensed to practice law in your area. Look for an attorney who specializes in family law so that they can provide accurate advice on how to navigate through the divorce process legally and ethically. Consider hiring a mediator if you want to work out an agreement without going through court proceedings. A mediator will help both parties reach a fair resolution more quickly than traditional litigation methods would take. Research different counseling options available to help you cope with the emotional aspects of divorce, including individual therapy, couples counseling, or group therapy sessions. Take advantage of free resources offered by local government agencies, community organizations, or religious institutions, which may be able to provide assistance during this difficult time financially or emotionally. Reach out for support from friends and family members who understand what you're going through and can offer comfort during this trying period in life. Remember that filing for divorce does not mean giving up on saving your marriage. Instead, it should be seen as an opportunity for both sides to come together and find common ground so that all parties involved can move forward positively. Before making any decisions about filing for a petition of divorce, make sure all other avenues have been explored first, such as mediation, counseling, etc. Before taking legal action against each other, be aware of potential financial implications associated with getting divorced, such as division of assets, debts, alimony payments, etc. Have realistic expectations regarding outcomes when entering into negotiations over issues like child custody arrangements, spousal support, etc. Don't let emotions get too high while discussing matters related to finances, property division, etc. Try to remain rational at all times. Respectfully listen and consider each other's point of view even if it differs from yours, and don't forget there's two sides to every story. Try to negotiate solutions outside court whenever possible, since it's often cheaper and less stressful option compared litigating everything inside courtroom. If necessary, seek professional guidance from experienced lawyers, mediators, counselors, especially those specialize handling divorces cases. Avoid using children as pawns between parents, no matter how tempting might seem. Remember, kids are innocent bystanders here and shouldn't suffer due parents' dispute. Don't allow yourself to become overwhelmed by the situation. Stay focused on the long-term goal, which is reaching mutually beneficial agreement with everyone involved, including children. By actively engaging professionals such as attorneys, mediators, and counselors early in their journey towards potentially saving their marriages, men have access to resources which can make this potentially painful experience easier by ensuring all legal obligations are met whilst preserving individual rights too. Ultimately, it's important not to forget why couples fell in love initially, so they understand underlying motives behind current actions, allowing them to find common ground once again, resulting in happier outcomes altogether. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children, and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at Divorce Lab Pro.